Hello gems, my name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video is my Grow with Grace binder day. It is just 7 challenges that I am saving for long-term goals. So let's get started. How are you guys doing? Are you staying warm? Because it is freezing in Ohio. Yes, it is. Look at me, don't have nothing together. Lord have mercy. Let's see. Is this my color dye here? I need... No. Yeah, it is really cold here in Ohio. So we are trying to stay warm the best as we can. Hope you guys are being safe and dodging the viruses and illness that's going around this winter. So let's play this. This is 7 for taxes. This is say 2026 and 2026. You can find this in my Etsy or Kofi, which is always, the link is always down in the description box. And all these creators that I'm using is also listed down in the description box. So if you like something, go check them out. So let's roll our color die. We got blue. Okay, are we gonna get a green? I want to get green. And let me get my, look at me, I tell you, I don't have nothing together. Just jumped in here and started filming. So we're doing blue. And then I'm using a 20-sided die. Oh, did I say I have $100 in prop money? I probably didn't, but yeah, $100 in prop money. So I'm using my 20-sided die and a 10-sided die, so like $30. So that is, let's see, 6 and, well, let me roll that one again. 6 and 7 for $13. Do I have a 13? 13, yes I do. So 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm gonna do that again. I want a green. Did I not bring the blue? Oh goodness. I'm telling you guys, I don't know what is going on. Why didn't I bring a blue? Hold on, gems. I usually have all my color pencils right where I can reach them. But let's do blue and 13. All right. 13. Okay, let's do that again. Let's see. Green. No, purple. All right, purple. Let's see what we're going to do. This time I'm just doing a 10-sided die. 8. So 8 for purple. Do I have an 8? Yes, I do. When I was creating this, I was trying to make sure like each color had at least 1 through 30 in there. But I think some of them didn't make it. So let's do 8, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that is a total of 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 21. Oh, did I ain't bring no 20s? No, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, let's just do the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I need more than 1. 5. All right, we just do this. Lord have mercy. Make your mind up. So $21. All right. Let's see. What are we doing next? Vacation. And this is created by Bent Dough. Oh, I got this on Etsy as a printable, and I just shrunk it down to this little size here. And this says $1,200. Like I said, this is for vacation. So let's see. I'm just going to do, I decided I'm going to do 15 and 5 for 20 because we just need to finish this top row, or this purple row I want to finish. So So let's do 15 and 5 for 20. Looking so cute. 5, 10, 15, 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. Perfect. All right. And then we can come back to some of these if we need to. So senior year, this is for my son's senior year, which is this year's class of 2026. So this says $150 created by Lemon Ivy Budgets. And let's see, which one are we doing? 1. Oh, I don't know where we stopped at. So I'm gonna do here. Ooh, that is 14. Seems like we're gonna get the big numbers now. We ain't got that many left. So 14. So 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Perfect. So cute, cap and gown. Month ahead. And that is The Life of a Pig Who Wants to Save But Loves to Spend, created by Snowgarner 307. And this is Gold Is My Color, little Miss Georgette and Fred Jr. there. I think we can finish this. Let's see. All right, that is a 5 and a 3. So $8. And this, what I say, $40? Okay. And this is for a month ahead. So little by little, I want to say for a month ahead, 5, 6, 7, 8. I need to put a binder together so I can keep track of the month ahead. I haven't done that yet. So let's make sure we have $40 here. So we have 20, 35, 7, 8, 9, 40. Yes, $40. So that one is completed. And then I will be doing, next week I do this page. So it's like each month is kind of follows. So that's February, March, April, May, Cinco de Mayo. And that's June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So cute. I'm trying to see. I think I'm just going to do the scratches. And then maybe in the future I can do the coloring side. Yeah, that's probably what I do. But yeah. So we completed a challenge. And that was, like I said, $40 going towards month ahead. I need to get my trackers and everything together for that. I have not did that yet. That just reminded myself. All right, this is Giant Ant Savings and Friends. This is created by Budget and Introvert, 1200 plus. I got this on Etsy. Let's see. Each ant is $8 and this page is $96. And we just going at the ants little by little. So let's put one ant. See, this ant needs a friend. So $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I want to do the other page. Oh yeah, and this goes towards emergency funds. So let's see, where are we going to scratch? 2. I think we got this one last time. So let's go 1, 2. And this little bumblebee ant is, ooh, $7. Okay. You little expensive, friend. So 7, 5, 6, and 7. I want to do another one. At first, I'm like, I'm just going to go page by page. I'm not going to skip around. Look at me now. No, I'm going to stop there. Because there's no rush to this. If this goes, it might flow on to next year. As long as I'm saving for emergency funds, that's good. So today we are putting 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. $15. So that is great. And I already see how much do I already got for emergency fund. So emergency fund already got $625 in there. So good, good, good. Okay, what are we doing next? We got the most basic challenge here. And this is created by Celicia. Beautifully Me and You here on YouTube. This whole book can be found on Amazon. This is, say, 15K. And it's just small little savings that you can just save and color as you save. And I was just thinking, okay, this is question of the day. If you have 15K saved, what would you do with it? That's the question. Because I was thinking about that. So I was like, wow, if I could save the 15K, I think I will pay my mortgage for the whole year. And then the money that I was putting towards mortgage, I would take a vacation every month. I think I would do that. That's what I would do. Once a month, take a vacation. That's not, I mean, it don't have to be a big vacation. I'm talking about like, it could be to the next city over, get a nice hotel, get a spa, have a spa day. It could be a road trip somewhere, a cheap flight somewhere. I'm just telling you, I'm telling you, a spa day, nice massage, eat some good food, have a couple cocktails. I would do that every month, knowing that my mortgage is paid for the whole year and that money that I was putting towards the mortgage, I would take a vacation every month. I promise I would do that. That sounds like fun. What would you do? Let me know. Comment down below. Let me know, because that just sounds like a nice retreat. Okay, so this page here totals $100. So where's my? These amounts are 1 through 8. So that's not a D8. Hold on. Where is my D8? Here we go. So I am rolling a D8 here to see how much I'm saving. Okay, we got a couple coins left. 7. So we have a 7. Yes, we do. I don't know what color to do. Let's do this one. They all starting to look alike. There we go. Yeah. And you can use color pencils, coloring this. A lot of people are using alcohol markers. You can use crayons. You can use, hey, if you wanted to, you can just put stickers over it. It don't matter. Just save the money, have fun. It's basic. So 5, 6, 7. And you don't have to think something you have to do the most. You just save. Should I do it again? Yeah, I got at least $8. So let's do that again. 3. Do we have a 3? No, but we got a 2 and a 1, so that will do. So let's do. Oh, I got a gray there already. Let's do this 2 over here. Yeah, let's do this 2 here. Perfect. And let's do a 1. What should we do? What color? Let's do, I don't know if that's color is there. These colors, all these blues are starting to look alike. I don't know. Is that this? I think we can do this one. That's not the right one. I don't know. We can do this one. I was trying to spread the colors out. But yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. So let's do our, did I put the 3? No. So 1, 2, 3. So we got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10 going in here. I might need those ones. So yeah, $10. So we almost to $100. Ain't mad at it, because this is also my catch-all too. So and then I was like, oh, with the 15K, I can also, if I pay my mortgage for the year, I could, the money that I normally put towards mortgage, I can just keep saving. So I'll always be a year ahead of my mortgage. Wouldn't that be nice? Girl, I just be in my thoughts sometimes. Sorry, I take you along in the journey with me. Sorry, you got to travel in my thinking also. So then we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got $11 left. So let's. Should I do something in here? I really want to do color of green. Yeah, let's do that. So let's do, I'm just going to do a 6-sided die. Nothing too much. And we got $1. I tried, I promise. So we got $1 right here. All right, let's do $1. Let's do it one more time, cause, oh yeah, this 3, 3, 2, 3. Okay, let's get green one more time. 6, okay, that's a little better. And we got a 6 here. All right. This is just looking so good. And I love looking at you guys play this also and save. Cause you guys are, y'all doing it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Perfect. Then I got 1, 2, 3, 4, $5 left. So we're gonna put that toward vacation. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. All right. And let's go to vacation again. And what I said I had left? 1, 2, 3, 4, $5. Oh yes, I got a 5 right there. So we got another 5. Did I color this? No, okay. I'm tripping. So hopefully I colored that other 5 in from the beginning, because I can't remember. So last $5, no IOU, going right into vacation. All right, that is it, gems. With all the chaos and fun. That was $100 put into my Grow with Grace. All right. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember, give yourself some grace. Bye.